for joining us, first thing. And again, to start with, I would like to know some key takeaways that you have got from this conference.
I think it's always very enticing and engaging to hear so many experts talk about their experiences, their learnings, the knowledge that they have. So it's been, and I think this whole concept with the lineups that we have is more futuristic. What is in home for the most traditional media and how future ready are we? So I think there are some great learnings from some lovely presentations, and definitely, like we have been hearing since morning, outdoor is set to grow and we are getting future ready.
Future ready brings me to my next question. How far are we ready? How future ready are we when it comes to OH? If you can relate it with the role of technology that is being applied in this industry.
Definitely. So, like I mentioned also, and I think it was captured in the other presentation as well, globally outdoor is growing at 6%, and Indian outdoor is growing in double digit, which is 12%, which is the highest across all traditional media. Digital, of course, is a different, it's a big daddy, right? But so we are doing something right. Of course, DOH is growing. Uh, yes, we are somewhere trying to keep up with the infrastructure challenges. There is a lack of common CMS, basis which we cannot kind of display all ads on a digital screen together. It is very fragmented that way, correct? So I think at least that is one of the things we should definitely address. We should move from a spot based campaign to an impression based campaign. That's where brands would want to increase their monies and out of home, and it will help us also buy with more efficiency. At least if not ROI, at least we would know what the brand objective is getting, served or not.
In every industry, we see that there are very less women as compared to men. I saw that this is with OH also, and somebody pointed out also if women should be more motivated and pushed, empowered to. Tell me your personal experience, how your experience has been in the industry, and any one challenge that you quickly overcame, and one opportunity that you're looking forward to.
Oh, wow, I think it's a very good question. So when I joined outdoor, like you just mentioned, I in my interview itself, like I joined as a management trainee, and I in my interview I was told that it's highly dominated by male. Late hota hai, you may not go home for days. So shadi kab kar rahe ho? Like all those kind of questions came in the interview. How will you manage? So obviously we come from a learning background, and definitely there is an answer to all the questions, right? So personally I feel in outdoor the share of female audiences have increased. Like in my team only, if I have to give an example, I think it would be a balance of 50% or more dominated by females. I'll tell you why, and personally why I am not gender biased, of course, but I certainly this media is not organized. But us as women, we are way too organized. So to handle a business which is not organized, you need someone who is so organized, and hence things could start falling in place. In fact, I have got comments from a lot of people saying, sorry, I'm taking this creative liberty, but you're trying to open a gulab gang. There are so many women. So I think there is a positive shift, and I think a lot of people in the industry are kind of understanding that women are maybe, if not equivalent, but I think equivalent to hai hi, but I think we are way more organized, and we definitely can get a lot of difference. And so as an opportunity, I think and I was again told this, there are very few girls in the industry, but whoever are there have made a difference. So somewhere I saw an opportunity in that, and every day I kept telling myself I'm here to make a difference, and God has been kind, and I want the same for all the fellow colleagues and everyone. I'm sure we'll definitely create a lot of difference.
That's actually very kind to think like this.
It's not an organized medium. You need to keep up with a lot of things. You're coordinating with a mounter, you're coordinating with a backend printer, you are coordinating with your client who you are answerable to. You have to keep check of the monies that you are charging. Exactly, accountability is that they can. I'm sure you would agree. Women are very, very good at it. Yeah, kudos to you. I mean, here also I can see a lot of girls running the show. Isha has been coordinating. You are there. I can see the girl behind the camera. So it's full girl power, and kudos to that. I'm like really, really happy with that.
Thank you. One last question, personally asking. As you have mentioned almost everything that I wanted to know, but still, after this conference, uh, how not this conference, let's say all the OH conferences that you attend, you must have learned a lot of things. So, for your company, what is your vision for the next 5 years? Because you have answered so nicely, I want to know how you see your organization.
So one thing definitely, like we all have been talking about, and the topic of this, the essence of this meet also is to get future ready automation and to bring India, the Indian outdoor advertising, at par with the global level. So that is something definitely we would want to strive for. When it will happen, how it will happen, it will, because we are dependent on a lot of other factors. We have to be infrastructure ready, we need to keep up with the changing dynamics. So it will happen, and the endeavor is just to push a little harder, just to push for more, innovations, more data, uh, client focused campaigns, and just get it there in the right time at the right place. I think that's the key.
Thank you so much. It was lovely speaking to you, actually. Thank you. My name is Ekanki.
Thank you, Ekam. Thanks a lot.